Hey everyone, welcome back to Handmade. It's me, A.V. We are back and I recently went thrifting and I got this basket here for $3. Oh, this is good. This is a good basket. I just moved into a new apartment and I realized I have a lot of vertical space that I can utilize. I want to get rid of clutter and I'm going to use this basket to hang things up. Maybe I'll put fruit in it, yarn, I'm not sure, but I can't leave it like this. It needs the razzle dazzle. Let's get started. So I just got some yarn, some rope, scissor, and a crochet needle. We're gonna just make it happen. I'm gonna just cut a couple of strands of this, because we wanna keep it simple. So it's not too much razzly dazzly today. These tassels I'm making, they're not the traditional tassels. They're gonna just be like loop overs. Pow. So we have 5 strands. I'm going to loop it, and we're gonna just find a spot. All right, we got the loop through. I'm going to take my crochet needle and try to get the other strands through the top. This basket is not for the faint of heart. All right, so we got it pulled through, and then now, I'm going to just pull through the loop like that. But I'm gonna keep going because we have a streak going on. So what I like to do, as I'm using the crochet hook, I am making sure I'm staying in the loop so I don't accidentally get it tangled. So we're gonna just go right back in there and grab the rest of these and pull it out. Gotta use some upper body strength. It feels like arm day for my fingers. All right, so right now I have about 3 blue tassels all around. I think it's time for some yellow. Blue and yellow are some of my favorite colors. Even when I try to stray away from them, it's the same colors all the time. Okay, I have my tassels on, and as much as I love shaking this like a Polaroid picture, they're a little bit too long. So I'm going to trim them now and then give it a little, fray. Okay. So they're trimmed, and I'm going to fray it out. So just unraveling the strands of yarn. I feel like sometimes wicker gets a bad rap in general. Like some years it's in, some years it's completely out, but I think currently, it's in. I am so happy that I was able to nab this one. But I think it's coming along pretty good. It's like Goldilocks. Okay. The little frays are looking good. I like the curls. It's the personality. All right, so now I'm going to give it a little bit of an additional trim just to make sure they're all even. I'm gonna use this rope, finger to shoulder. I did mention that we're gonna hang it up, so it needs something to hang up with. Pretty long, that's pretty long. It's always better to have too much and cut down than to have too little, because then you have to start over. All right, so string 1, I'm thinking have one here, and then have one here, and you can kind of hide behind the tassels. All right, so right now I just crocheted a part of the rope through one of these grooves. Is that what you call it in a basket? The woven part? Whatever. So I'm going to tie it to this. Just a standard knot, right? And since it's on the inside, you won't really see it, and it's behind the tassel. So now we have all 3 strands I think it's pretty even. So I have this loop right now. I'm thinking, you know, going to use some yarn to secure it. And we have a loop. I think I want to add some fruit, some yarn. I don't know, but what I do know is that I will have less clutter in my space. I am glad I found this basket. I love how this project turned out, and it only cost me $5. I hope it inspires you to go thrifting today. See you later.